Hey everybody, Anita here. Welcome to my channel. I'm beginning today's mani with this beautiful strawberry sprinkles from Colorist to Carol, her 2018 holiday advent box. This is my first time purchasing an advent box and I'm not disappointed. I've been swatching them on Instagram since the 1st of December, and if you follow me, you've definitely seen them. I'm going to be doing some reverse stamping on top of this beautiful polish. I'm going to be using two stampers, that Beauty Bigbang. I'll also be using my little Pueen stamper as well as my clear jelly scraper. So you guys know how to make not decals, but to do reverse stamping. You just get your image onto your stamper, remove the parts that you don't want with your tape or lint roller, whichever works best for you. And it's a little tricky to get the parts that you don't want off, but just take your time. If you mess up, just take it off and do it again. Once you are sure that that polish is dry, just give it a couple of seconds to dry. You're going to fill that image in, and I'm using a brown polish from China Glaze, and I'll have all of the products in the description box for you guys as usual, so you know what I'm using. Now you're going to see in the finished mani that the little gingerbread guy here has some contrast going on. I did use my dotting tool and the white to like enhance the eyes and to put a couple of buttons down his chest. And I put a weird crooked smile. I'm trying to do more freehand work, and so the smile's like a little bit weird, but if you don't look too close, it looks cute. So I also hand painted some like star type snowflakes around him, just again for a little contrast. So you're going to see that for the final photos that I have for you. Now he has to have some place to live, so I will also be reverse stamping a cute little house for him. Now I'm not filling in the whole thing with polish because I do want that beautiful base polish to show through. So I will be using another of the Colorist to Carol Advent Box colors on the roof there, and that's Pop of Color, which is that beautiful cream polish with different colored confettis in it. I love it. It's so pretty. If this is your first time here and you like what you see on my channel, please feel free to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. You just click the little girl icon that's in the corner, or at the end you will see a subscribe button. You can click that and that just automatically subscribes you. Once you do that, you're going to see a bell icon appear. If you click on that icon, it just notifies you when I upload a video, and that's once a week. Now I'm just going to put on a couple of contrasting polishes there for a little pop of color, of the yellow in the window for like a little light inside, and the red door. I did off camera stamp the brown plaid on my index finger and pinky, and now I'm just going to put on a little contrast plaid over that. And I did the red on my thumb. That was actually a trial. I wanted to do red. I thought of doing red for all of those nails, but I thought it was a bit much, so I just left it on the thumb, and I like it that way. Now to ensure that the reverse stamping sticks to my nail, I'm just going to put on a little swipe of Orly Bonder for a nice tacky surface. Once that dries completely, you're gonna put your images on. Beautiful. They came out really cute. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to finish this mani with a no smear top coat, and once that's completely dry, I put on my glossy top coat, and I have some swatch photos for you at the end. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up. You will be seeing this one on Instagram as well. I have that information in the description box too. Give it a nice clean up and oil my cuticles. I hope you guys liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.